Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm doing my nails to match my mask. So I thought this would be fun. I've seen this a couple times here and there on Instagram, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be a cute way because a lot of us are still wearing masks. I'm here in New Mexico and masks are definitely still required, as I'm sure a lot of you are required to wear masks as well right now. So I thought it'd be fun to do my nails to match my mask. So this is the one I've chosen. My mom actually made this for me. It has pandas on the other side, but it's kind of this cool Asian pattern. And the Lunar New Year is coming up too, so I thought it'd be a good way to get in some Chinese Asian inspired nails before Valentine's Day as well. Alright, so I have my mask on. Here's what it looks like. And here are my nails, if it'll focus. So I feel like they match pretty well. I just did plain sparkles on this hand. But I'll show you how I created this look. So here is the mask that I pulled that I decided I'm going to use. But I pulled some colors. First one is Unruly Red, and this is almost identical to this red here. And next I needed the gray, so I actually pulled Control Freak, and both of these colors are actually from the recent winter collection. And this isn't exact, but it's gonna be the closest I can get without sitting there forever mixing my own color. Then we got black and white, so of course I pulled Perfect White and Perfect Black from Madame Glam. I have my little palette here to do the design with, and then it needed some glitter. All nail designs need glitter, so I actually pulled Richie and Bitchy, which is from winter collection the year before. And it is this very sparkly red, but it pairs really nicely with Unruly Red. It's that same type of shade. And you can see I already have this hand done. I just decided to do full hand of just the glitter. It's giving me very Dorothy Ruby Slippers vibes, which I'm not mad about. But on this hand, I'll go ahead and do the mask design. Okay, so I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Unruly Red. I do one coat of this on all of my nails. And I didn't do any product shots for it because I did show you all the products ahead of time in the video. So I thought that might be repetitive. So I'm just going to walk you through it. And here I'm going to go in and do a second coat of Unruly Red, but just on the middle two nails. And then on the other three nails, the pinky, the pointer finger, and the thumb, I'm going to go in with Richie and Bitchy, that beautiful Ruby Slippers red glitter, and do a coat of that. Okay, so I have 2 coats of the red down and then glitter on these 2. It really only needs 1 coat of red. The Unruly Red is super pigmented. But let's go ahead and get my palette ready for the rest. And let's see, for the white flowers, it does have like the red center. So I am gonna need some of this Unruly Red. Probably just a little bit. And then go in with some Control Freak. And then the black and white. And then I am going to take off the tacky layer, just so nothing moves around. So for the flowers, I'll use my dotting tool, and then this one, that doesn't really have a name, the Beetles brush. It's like one of the medium brushes. So looking at this, the gray flowers are kind of all in the background, and then the white and the black are on top. So I'm going to start with the gray. So here I'm just going in with Control Freak, which is our gray. I'm painting in the flowers. It looks like there's a lot of the flowers are kind of in this trio, so I try to do like the groups of flowers together, add some little branches kind of in between, as well as some little dots. That's just how the design kind of went. So I do all 3 nails, and then I give that a flash cure. go in with Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I start doing the black flowers. So it looks like it's the gray flowers, then the black flowers, and then the white flowers are on top. So I'm going in, adding some black flowers, just a few here and there. And then after the black flowers were done, I did go in and do the white flowers and also add some white dots in. Unfortunately, I was not filming the white flowers portion. I was very upset to realize I wasn't filming, but it is a very repetitive design, so I think you get the point. So once all the flowers are down and cured, I go in and add the centers of the black and the white flowers. So on the black flowers, I add the Perfect White as the center, and I just try to do a dot and then kind of fan it out. It is very difficult on such a smaller scale to really get the exact same pattern that is on the mask, but I give it a very similar effect. Then I go in with Unruly Red, which was the background color, and I fill in and do the centers of the white flowers as well. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here's how my nails came out. I feel like they very much so look like the mask. I was very pleased with how this design came out. I think it's fun. I mean, the situation we're all in is very difficult and all that. I'm not going to get into it, but masks are part of our lives right now, and so we all embrace it by getting all the different patterned and different kinds of masks out there. And so I thought it'd just be fun to do some nails to match my mask. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see more. I have a few more pattern masks that I could try to match as well. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope everyone is staying safe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe for some more nail tutorials coming out soon. Valentine's nails are coming up next, so make sure you're subscribed for that. And we'll see you next time. Bye.